Hey guys, Mark here. Just wanted to quickly let you guys know what I'm currently up to. As you know, it's a crazy time right now with the pandemic. So, as you can see in this room, this is my new office. And as you can tell, I love technology. I'm passionate about it. For those who know me, my life revolves around it. So what I decided to do is I want to give back at the moment, and we're actually creating a channel called TechRanga. And I'll put the details with this video. What this channel is going to be about is highlighting technology. So we're going to be showcasing products. We're also going to look at cutting through all the jargon and explaining things simply so you can make the right decision. A lot of you know as well that I'm very passionate about social and environmental outcomes, particularly around the waste with the technology. So we're also going to be doing some interviews on this channel as well, where we're looking at these causes and highlighting how we can make a difference. So keep an eye out. We're going to start rolling out the videos this week. We're going to have awesome giveaways as well. So yeah, make sure you check out the Facebook page. It's going to be called TechRanga AU. I'll share the link again, and we'll also set up the YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to both. Otherwise, keep hanging on. I know it's crazy out there, and we'll see you soon.